Beyond the hustle and bustle of the city, there's a world. One which smells of earth, one which speaks the language of nature. And amid the commotion and cacophony, we tend to forget its existence. So one fine day we packed our bags and went out for the fresh air we never knew we deserved. And since we wanted to feel nature firsthand, we planned to carry our kit that includes tent, water, food, medicine and other safety measures. It might not be possible to express what we felt as our bikes snaked their way through the roads that are rarely taken. That's exactly the reason you might want to join us if you love traveling. Come and embark yourself on a ride of a lifetime, on a journey you'll cherish forever. Experience nature up close and personal. Be a part of our team at Alafiia Riders.